everybody, welcome to Crafter's Story. It's Celeste here. Well, it's Tuesday, which means that it is Twinchie Tuesday, which is a hashtag that is hosted by Jenn at Sassy Southern NC Girl. So I like to do different things. I like to see if I can up it from last time. And so I try to make different Twinchies each time that I make a Twinchie. And so I thought maybe this time, instead of painting or collaging, I would make like little coloring in pages. Because I like to paint small. I think I've mentioned that a couple of times. Sorry if I'm kind of repeating myself. But I do like to work small. And I just thought maybe if I made little coloring in pages with my Twinchies, that could be kind of fun. This one's dirty, but that's okay. So, I've already done a few. I've done 4, but I thought I would just draw 1 or 2 with you guys. And then I'm just really going to, after this, take a Sharpie. A fine line Sharpie because it's a permanent marker and it's a fine point, and I think it's waterproof. I don't actually know, to be honest. I don't really know if it is. What am I doing? This. I'm doing this. But if it's waterproof, then I could use these as little mini watercolor paintings, or I could just let me make this little stem a bit bigger, like that. What was I saying? I lost track. I lost track of what I was saying. Oh, watercolor painting. Okay, you can't do too much on a little one. So there's those 2. What else can I do? Maybe another. I've done a mushroom, but let me do another mushroom. I have to really think about it. I think I made that too tall. Yep, I made it too tall. I'm just going to get my eraser out. I love this eraser. I won it from a giveaway that Penny from Penny's Crafty Creations did, and there were so many things in there that I absolutely love. So thank you Penny. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I'm a lot better at drawing when I'm not talking. That maybe just because I get in the zone. All right, that one. So what should this be? Let's try a snail. Snail, I usually need a little. Okay, so snail's gonna be. It's typically like a circle, and then it's like a tear. It's like a teardrop. Think about it, Celeste. It's like that, like that. Make this a bit bigger, and then maybe even just go like so. Do I do the eye there or the eye at the end of tentacles? I know they have tentacles. Let's go sort of comical and do the eyes up here. And then there. And so, oh, now it looks like, no, I don't like it. No, don't like it. Take away. So I will just do my eyes here. There's one eye, and then a little mouth, and then we'll just do something like that. Maybe we can have a little bug, a little empty space. Let me do a little bug there. All right, so here are my 4 little drawings. All I have to do now is take my Sharpie and go over all my pencil lines. And once I have done that, I'll let the Sharpie dry. I usually let it sit for a bit. I'm a little paranoid, so I let it sit for a good day. And then I will erase all the pencil marks. There's a bit of texture to this paper that I'm using. I'm going to have to do these guys first. So I'm having to work slowly with my Sharpie. And so it'll take too long, I think, for a video for me to do all of them. So let me go and get them all traced out, and then I'll come show you. Okie dokes, I've got them all done. I'm going to bring you guys a little bit closer. So there's our little house. It probably needs a chimney. Anyway, that's for later. There's our bouquet of flowers in a flower pot. And then we've got a little snail. And then let's put the mushroom over here. And I did a few others already. There's a cupcake and a cat. Oh, maybe I came a little too close. Let's see, maybe move it across and across, because I've got 2 more to show you. Sorry if you don't mind just giving me a second to move stuff along so I can get to it. There is another little mushroom and another little pot. So those are my Twinchies. They are my 2x2 little pieces of art. My little coloring in pages. I just think they're cute. So I like the idea of working, having these somewhere with, you get these tiny little packets of just 5 colors of crayons. And, when you're in a doctor's office or any opportunity for me to draw, I'll take it. So this is where these are going. I'll give you 2 guesses where these are going. Okay, I'll tell you. In my handbag with a little thingy of crayons. And yeah, it's going to play. All right, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you, Jen, for the hashtag. It is Twinchie Tuesday. And guys, please follow the hashtag and go and see what everybody else is doing, because I'm always so in awe of everybody that does the collages, because that's the one thing I think I probably need the most practice on. I can do this and paint, but the collages I need to work on. So yeah, go and have a look at everybody. They do amazing work with Twinchies. So it's incredible what you can fit onto such a small piece of paper. Okie dokes, we'll see you next time. Bye.